A big part of my job was figuring out how to downsize operations and how to get people laid off. And that was just something that just didn't make me feel good. I wasn't excited about it. I wanted to do something where I could create opportunities for people and also to just be in control of my own destiny.
At the senior or executive levels, your skills are very much transferable. I think what differentiates me now versus working in the corporate space is just, it's a different industry altogether.
In a corporate level, you're working with this huge organization, and a lot of times you may be in a role where you don't ever get to see or touch the customer or the end product. Having a small business like this, I'm able to come up with the strategy, to implement it, and then to see it and meet the customer, to actually meet the employee. If we make a process change, to see the impact of it firsthand. Being able to touch it and feel it like that just makes it so much more special. And it was just something about the citywide value proposition that from the minute I heard it, I went home and I told Marie, and she said, wow, out of everything, that one just sounds really interesting. And we were just hooked. It just really made sense to us.
What really sold me, I have to say, with Citywide is everything they said throughout every single one of the interviews that we had on the phone. They followed through with action, behavior, follow through, and their quick turnaround with regards to anything that seemed ambiguous or I was unclear about. The turnaround won me over.
First 2 years are rough, but you get through them. And the best part about the Citywide model is this whole family concept. There's other franchisees that are starting around the same time you are, that you build relationships with. And we've had the phone calls at midnight, 1 in the morning, because they're the only other people that can understand, or probably awake too, dealing with the same struggles. And that really has been the thing that has helped us get through it, is those relationships.